Accounting assistants lacking core data processing skills further backlog closing cycles. Incomplete invoices and misapplied credits diminish analytical insights due to poor quality data. Leadership second guesses guidance around deliveries, inventory, payroll. Morale declines through rushed overtime. Concurrently, build accounting foundations and closing process excellence. Attendees return confident navigating core reconciliations. Journal entries using ERP tools through extensive guided practice. Master process nuances through templates and discussions. Equipped accounting teams now complete clean closes rapidly. Leadership has transparency with timely books providing data-validated guidance around payroll, inventory, payables. People experience less overtime crunch, enabling work-life harmony. Individually, accounting assistants gain a capability springboard into lead roles. Their mastery managing closing intricacies delivers enduring value to future organizations as experts. Enroll in this vital program now to strengthen closing efficiencies, team capabilities, and leadership decision foundations through excellence in foundational accounting practices.